Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use connectors in Draw.io diagrams. Connectors are essential tools that help you link shapes and elements together, creating clear visual relationships in your flowcharts, mind maps, or any other type of diagram you're working on. Let's jump right in and see how easy it is to connect your shapes. First, you'll need to head over to drawio.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click on it to begin. This will direct you to a new tab where you can start creating your diagram from scratch or continue working on an existing project. For this example, I've already prepared a workspace with several rectangle shapes placed on the canvas. This gives us a perfect starting point to demonstrate how connectors work. You might have your own shapes already in place, or you can quickly add some using the shape tools on the left sidebar. Either way, the process we're about to go through remains exactly the same. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on one of your rectangle shapes to select it. Once you've clicked it, take a close look at the shape itself. You'll notice that small arrows appear on each side of the rectangle. These arrows are your connection points, and they're the key to linking your shapes together seamlessly. They make the whole process incredibly intuitive and visual. To create a connector, simply click on one of these arrows and hold down your mouse button. Then, drag it across your canvas toward another rectangle shape that you want to connect to. As you drag, you'll see a line following your cursor, showing you exactly where the connection will go. This visual feedback helps you place your connectors precisely where you want them. When you reach the target rectangle shape, release your mouse button. The connector will automatically attach itself to the nearest connection point on that shape, creating a clean, professional-looking link between the two elements. The line adjusts automatically, which is particularly helpful when you're working with complex diagrams. Now, just repeat this process for any other shapes you want to connect. Click on a shape, grab one of the arrows on its sides, drag it to another shape, and release. It's that simple. You can create as many connections as you need, building out your entire diagram step by step. The more you practice this, the faster and more natural it becomes. Keep connecting your shapes until you've achieved the layout and flow that suits your needs. Whether you're mapping out a business process, designing a network diagram, or creating an organizational chart, these connectors will help you visualize the relationships between different elements clearly and effectively. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to use connectors in Draw.io diagrams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.